find yourself in this situation, firstly, stay calm and don't run with scissors. The yarn factory was having a great sale. Grandma didn't make it. She said she was only going in for one thing, and you know how that goes. Grandma goes in for one thing, Mom goes in for a box of milk. They come out with 5 billion other things. So originally I wanted to tell you all a story and hope that you all learned something. But as I started to practice with these materials, and then I started to learn from them, for one thing, that just wasn't going to happen. And then two, sometimes it's just the way things are. Things change, we change, we become more informed. But if we're accepting of change and the vulnerability that accompanies it, we may never reach our potential. And the more we struggle against something, the harder it becomes to get out of it unscathed. And that's the premise of this lecture: how to live and accept things for what they are when change happens, how to let go, and how allowing something the space to change can develop something even more amazing. As this performance occurs, I have laid out lengths of red string before you. The lengths are 5 centimeters, or the average length of the human heart. Please try to connect them in your own way while thinking about someone or something that left your life and all the things you did to try to stop it. I call this arbor at Dissent, away from the beating chamber. Take from it what you will. I could ask for help, but I'm not compelled to spill my guts all over the kitchen countertop. That isn't a mic drop, with a partner ever since Ball's job, or at least it feels that way sometimes. Didn't fight and delight, best friends with no dead ends, codependent, conjoined at the hip. Fuck, shag, get fucked and drag, occasionally a whip played a part of this strip. Ask him, what's your passion? Music, the guitar. Let's say art. Then a fart would ring out. Laugh, forget the danger. These things could tear two apart. And I could ask for help, but I'm not compelled to spill my guts over the kitchen countertop. Accepted into school, full ride, thanks, but nobody asked you. Calling mother crying, but still trying to stay calm. Didn't bust a move, inevitably knew this was something entirely new. Take a leave of absence to take part, relationships while being apart. Threats and temptations, debts. So, proposed with an opal, that little rock made them feel so damn hopeful. Tears streamed for 6 hours straight on a drive, chain smoking cigarettes. And I could ask for help, but I'm not compelled to spill my guts over the kitchen counter top. Long distance is nobody's business. Fall asleep on Skype, wake up to the neon lights taking the shape of someone you once knew. Seasons change, rain, the scene of familiarity starts to fade. Sweet dreams, pleasant nightmares, tender phrases once used to usurp terrors. Turn ever so slowly into 2 seconds too long interruptions. Yes, call me please, start to say who. Weeks go by and the connection is fucking past due. And as I'm thinking now, we're sinking farther down. Sit there and say, just a phone call away, change in the day has already started, really longing to see that face, that necessity of the body, that physicality, longing for a body once called home. Key saudade. Those aren't just terms of endearment, dearest. Understand this. The razor-sharp teeth chopping at the bits of string tied. Try realigning the frayed threads, but they just won't fit. Watch them fall short. Abort, suffocation. Death is time spent by asphyxiation. Check-ins with who or what Whose clique were you fucking? Whose dick were you sucking? These links can't hold us together, me and more, alone in my care, but I can't stop trying to fix this anymore.
But then there's a rhythm again. The beats continue to ring after a measure of rest. On to the next, and to the next. Next better, next best. When hearts bleed, they bleed together. Without the mind, it keeps steel tethers. Whether weathering the worst of the storm, it takes energy to keep a body, to keep that body warm, to keep my body warm. After change, give time to work things, create new strings, the bitter aftertaste, aftercare, and then pick up the fray. Pick up the dirty laundry from yesterday. things once known, their existence functions for others to grow. Skinny strong, skinny love, blue neck veins, like the vibrations of your guitar strings. Taking shots of chai tea, no longer saying goodbyes, on a date with you and your honey brown eyes.
Feeling cheeky, 5 weekly, IBCC, let's be daring. No preparing, no agendas, let's go where the paper sends us. Open mic, perhaps a slam. Don't hear where I need to jam. Grab your purse and clip on ear. And sorry, I'm some commandeering. And air and tires think that way to acting weird, cause I was like say I'm boring like I'm dead. Say I like a cutting edge. I will show you that I'm golden. Camel guys can kiss my golden. Nouveau guys want stand up chance. Please park it. I must dance. Thank you.
Okay, I have your paper here. Alyssa asks that we take.
Should come out that he will veto it if it does not have adequate protections for pre-existing conditions.
And you know, it would be a lot further.
Thank you, YouTube.
Yeah, thank you. Let's spend a minute in silence then, just to look at the work